Now for the fun part. This is all of baby girl's things. I found this bag on Instagram, and they market so well on Instagram because like you find things that you would never ordinarily come across, but somehow they just know. Those algorithms, man. But this is the most beautiful diaper bag I've ever seen. I'm a huge diaper bag fan anyway, but I just fell in love with this, and my girlfriend told me, she's like, you need that diaper bag, so she encouraged me to buy it. It's by Hap brand, and I will link it. It does have backpack straps. It also has a over-the-shoulder strap inside, but it has this back compartment, and in this back compartment I just put this little book for Jackson, You're a Big Brother. I can't talk about it too much because it will make me cry, but when he comes to visit her, we're gonna read that to her and with him. I just can't wait for that. I'm so excited. Well, I'll just show you this. This is from Etsy. We did name our baby girl. Her name is Felicity Bell, and I had this little sign made. I had this made so I could put it in her little bassinet and take pictures. I'm just all about that Instagram life these days, and if you haven't been following me on Instagram, go follow me there because I'm about to post my big announcement of her name. So anybody that follows me there already knows what her name was, but there you go, it's Felicity. I also put pre-sanitized, pre-washed 2 pacifiers in this little container and a pacifier clip. The clip is from Amazon, and I will link that. This one is from Ryan and Rose, and I've heard good things about this brand of pacifiers, so I'll link that as well. I got that one on Amazon. Oh, and I got this one on Amazon too. This is Bib's brand. When I had Jackson, I was terrified to introduce the pacifier too early because I was really worried about him breastfeeding and taking to the breast. He took to it so well and would never take anything in his mouth except for the breast. So pacifiers didn't end up really working with him. So this time I don't want to spend any time like worrying about that. I just want to introduce the pacifier right away so that there will be some method of soothing her besides putting her on the breast, which was a problem. Not a problem, but it's just how it went with Jackson. So if possible, I would love for her to take a pacifier, so I brought them right away to the hospital and give them to her first thing. And I know that nipple confusion and yada yada, but I did not have that problem with Jackson. I had the opposite problem, so I'm gonna try it this way. I got this on Amazon as well. This is a nice little carry case because I love putting things in their containers and carry cases. And what it actually is this Roam sound machine, the travel sound machine. I've heard such good things from my friends. When I showed this on an Instagram story, I got overwhelming feedback of how great this sound machine is. I thought I would set it up in the hospital right away so that we can kind of get some rest and filter out some of the hospital noise. So I'm bringing that with us. It is pre-charged already, ready to go. Then I have a little Jellycat bunny for her. This is the tiniest size. If you follow me and my family, you know that my son Jackson has a couple of these. He calls them Hop. They're his like comfort object and his best friend. And so I bought her this tiny one, and I'm so excited to give that to her. Now for her first little outfit. These are so exciting to me. This is from Spearmint Baby. They have a really great Instagram page and a beautiful online shop, and the rainbows just make me melt and are so special and meaningful. And I also got the matching little headband. I'm so excited for headbands. I can't wait. That just ties at the bottom. It's one of those just little gowns. The next little outfit is actually just a swaddle and a headband, but it's this beautiful print. Can I remember where I got this? Posh Peanut. It was another Instagram find and buy, but it's a beautiful rose pattern, and this is super stretchy, really nice swaddle. I feel like the first couple of days they're just in the little shirt that the hospital puts on them, and then they get swaddled in the hospital swaddle, but you're more than welcome to swaddle them in your own swaddles. So I have quite a few little swaddle sets. This tiny little bear hat, which is just about the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's from Spearmint Baby as well, but it's I Love You Bean. ILY Bean is the brand, and I know that they wear hats for the first few days. And then I paired that hat with this swaddle, and this is from, well, I bought it on Amazon, but the brand is, it's a very popular brand that everybody loves and has been using, and I can't think of it. I will link it down below. And then, is this the last? No, I have a lot of little outfit changes slash baby looks for her for the first couple of days. This is a hat that I had from Jackson. It's pink and blue, and I put this on him when he was first born, and I kept it, and now it's for her. And then this is one of those Swaddle Me, like Swaddle Sacks that you like Velcro. I had a birth class at the hospital, and the nurse that was in charge said that they really appreciate when you bring a Swaddle Me, so that they don't have to continue to like swaddle them. They can just use the Swaddle Me. So I bought 3 of them, and I'm bringing this one with this little matching hat. And then I have this little hat with the flower. It's from Posh Peanut 2, I think. It was supposed to be exactly the same color as the floral swaddle, and it's not. So I paired this with this really pale pink swaddle that I got. And this pink swaddle is from Kate Quinn, and it's all organic stuff, and I happened to catch it again on Instagram. I have spent so much money from Instagram marketing, but they were having a huge sale. Everything's organic, and I bought like several little outfits plus a couple of swaddles, and it's really nice. It's a little bit of a different feel than the other swaddle. Drawing a blank still on the name, I can't think of it. I'll just show you. This has little side compartments, if you can see that inside. So in one of the compartments was the bunny, in the other one is are several different little headbands, because I've never gotten to do this before. I have headbands for the baby, and I just think it's such a cute look. These are from Spearmint Baby, and it came in a package of 3. They're super soft and super stretchy. So this one's a mauve. There's also a gray and a really, really, really pale pink. So no matter what she's wearing, I can match her in a little band if I want to take her picture 100,000 times, which I will. In another one of the inside pockets, I just put a few pairs of socks, because some of the going home out, I don't know what I'm going to want her to wear for going home, and I just like to have options. So I got her a few little pairs of socks. So actually 2 little pairs of socks. These ones have little tiny pom-poms on them. I know I'm totally out of control and carried away with the amount of clothes that I am bringing for her, because she's really not going to be wearing many clothes at the hospital. But, you know, I'll take them home, and then she'll wear them in the first, like, couple weeks. And then a pair of mittens. So this is from Loved Baby. It's 0 to 3 month size. If she's really long, she'll wear this to go home, and it's just this ultra comfy, really basic sleeper. It has the fold over hands, and it's got the footies, and it's zipper, so it couldn't be easier. It says Loved Baby on the back. It's very soft, organic, really nice. I also got her this little sleeper at Nordstrom Rack, but the brand is Harper Canyon, and it's newborn size, and it just says hello all over it. So I thought that was a cute option for going home, or for just putting her in an outfit. If I'm there for 4 days, like sitting in bed for 4 days, I'm probably gonna dress her up once or twice. Then I have this from Spearmint Love. This is 0 to 3 months, but it looks really small, and it doesn't have feet, so that's why I brought the black socks. But it's little pretzels. My husband is German, and we love German food, and pretzels are just like a family favorite, so I just thought that was so cute. This was one of the first things I bought for her. A lot of this stuff is like I bought so long ago, and I just can't wait to use it, so I just packed it all in here. I'm sure I'm not going to use all of this. Here's another going home outfit, and this is in case it's cold. If it's really cold, I have this little bear, this is from Carter's, little bear terry cloth sweatsuit. There's the top, and here's the bottoms. They're little hammer pants, newborn size. It's just the cutest thing. All this stuff just makes me like so emotional. I could cry just looking at it. And it came with the little onesie to put underneath. It's got little bunnies and clouds on it. And then the very last outfit choice is something that Jackson helped me pick out, and if he probably will come to the hospital and then come ride in our car with us to take her home, because he's been so excited to sit next to her in the car, so he will not be able to wait for that. But we bought him this Big Brother shirt, and in order to keep it clean and nice, I just thought we would just change him into it before we leave the hospital. And then for her, it was a little outfit with this little tutu pants, and it says best little sister ever, little sister Big Brother outfit. I've been waiting so long for this. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it, all 150,000 items that I brought with me for the hospital. But I hope that you got some ideas and inspiration for your own hospital bag. If you are expecting and watching this video, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. There's truly nothing better than this feeling of like you're finally here and you're in the home stretch and you're gonna see this baby very soon. I'm just filled with all of the love hormone and all of the emotions. So so I don't get too rambly. Thank you so much for watching. If you've supported me through this entire journey, you know how blessed we feel to be here finally. It's been such a long road, and thank you guys all for taking this journey with me. I love you so much. If you are new to my channel, please stick around. We'll be seeing this baby girl very soon, and going to Disney with her as soon as she turns 6 months old. And we're going to be going to Disney World when she's 6 months and Disneyland when she's 8 months. So stick around for those vlogs, more packing videos, and who knows what else. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Let me just pull this closer. Okay, let's try again. This is going well. Also, don't mind the background noise. My mother is here entertaining Jackson, and they're having a lot of fun. Oh, hang on. I'm really out of practice here. Okay, I am not sure if this is the most flattering angle, and my camera is a bit wonky. So that's the first. I'll try and show you. I probably should have done this a different way, but you can do so many things. Yeah. And I've got to change positions because my leg is completely falling asleep. Ow. I get a lot of joy out of coordinating my items. Pads. I don't know if that's too much information. Okay, I'm probably gonna look real weird, but that's okay. What a loser. Hopefully you can't see the way I'm sitting because I'm just letting it all hang out here in my dress. But you can't see, so that's okay. Otherwise my legs are going numb. Pregnancy brain is a real thing, guys. I'm sorry. This is gonna be fun to edit. Everything that has been done